The main market for this container behind me is in Europe and the United States. The width of this container is 2.4 meters. The length is 6,058. The height is 2,896. So, one 40-foot HQ can load 7 sets. The entire container's roof adopts a fully welded process, same as the steel plate roof of sea freight containers. The thickness of the steel plate ranges from 1.0 to 1.2 to 1.5 to 2.0. Our standard export level door for this container is a level fireproof and flame retardant door. Stainless steel door handle lock. Now entering the interior of our container. The wall panel of this container is also made of polyurethane board. The entire thickness is 100 centimeters. The bulk density is 120 kilograms per cubic meter. Because of the use of this container in Russia and Canada market, so it is important for the top and wall insulation. And there is also significant for bottom insulation. We also use European, American, and English standards for switches. Customers can specify the brand you want, and between our boards, also done with a beautiful stitching treatment. Our windows have regular windows. Customers can choose from single and double glass, and CE certification options.